This question is from GATE 2012 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 3. In an interchangeable assembly, shafts of size 25, upper limit is plus 0.04, lower limit is minus 0.01, all in millimeters, made with holes of size 25, upper limit is plus 0.03, lower limit is plus 0.02 millimeters. The maximum interference in microns in the assembly is dash. Let's find out. By definition, we have maximum interference in the assembly is given by lower limit of hole, we'll see how this is found out, minus the upper limit of shaft. Now the mean diameter for hole is given as 25 millimeters. We add the lower tolerance to it to get the lower limit. So plus 0.02 will give us the lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft will be 25 plus the upper tolerance given, that is 0.04 millimeters. This gives us 25.02 minus 25.04, which is nothing but minus 0.02 millimeters. Now this negative sign is because it is showing us that when the shaft has its maximum size with its highest tolerance, it is actually crossing the hole or causing an interference. And that's what we are calculating here, the maximum interference. So we have to write the answer in microns. We can convert this to microns as equal to minus 0.02 into 10 to the power 3 will give us the answer in micrometer. This is nothing but 0.02 into 1000, which is 20 micrometer. Let's go back and mark the correct answer. So the answer here is in option C. 20 microns is the maximum interference in the assembly. To learn about the basics of tolerances, you can refer to the NPTEL video Numerical Problems on Fit and Tolerances from the course Metrology. This course is by Professor Kanakuppi Sadashivappa. He is from Department of Industrial and Production Engineering from Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.